People, welcome back to Politics Watch, the People's Channel. This is Serpy. Now, it seemed like retired policeman Harry Bungles just can't stay out of trouble. Even when I know him do it, him name just can't stay out of the muck and the grime and the filth. But that's what you get when you spend the majority of your life swimming around in the proverbial mud. Even when you try to go clean, you still have that stench on you. See, there's a video going around on social media of one of Harry Bungles' family member, I think it's his niece, and a passenger in a vehicle that apparently is a company vehicle, and it seems to be a GLE Benz, right? And they are trying to bribe the policeman on camera, right? And these two females are so giddy-headed, they're so foolish that they are recording themselves trying to insinuate to the officer that they're willing to pay him off to avoid the ticket, right? And the first thing them do when them get pulled over is go, should I call Harry Bungles? See, these two females must have been told that the name Harry Bungles still holds some kind of weight in 2019. Now, let me tell you something. There was a time when Harry Bungles was one of the most influential and powerful officers in the force, even though he wasn't a commissioner. Harry Bungles used to reign out of Spanish Town and over St. Catherine side. There's enough content on YouTube about Harry Bungles, right? I joined the YouTube game late, so there's already a lot of stuff about Harry Bungles. But let me tell you about Harry Bungles. That man is a dangerous man. At least he was. Harry Bungles was actually found guilty of corruption, right? But somehow he still managed to bust the case, right? He got released. He went and recruited Valerie Nita Robinson as his lawyer. And I still remember the day when he bust the case. Harry Bungles put on one piece of cowballing outside the courthouse. He was in Valerie Nita's arms crying like a baby, bawling about how the system has wronged him. Let me tell you something, man. Harry Bungles, that man is the definition of everything Jamaica doesn't want to be, or what Jamaican police officers shouldn't be, right? Now this man is now apparently a legit businessman. So in the video when I hear she say it's company vehicle, right? So they're now gone into the business trade. Harry Bungles is retired. But I just want you to take in the arrogance of his family member to get pulled over because clearly they committed an offense. And the first thing this girl that go ball out is about, should I call Harry? Should I Harry Bungles? This young lady is delusional. Matter of fact, see what should have happened. They should have charged her. And it can still happen now. I don't know why it's not like there's any statute of limitations as far as I'm aware. But they should have charged her for attempting to bribe a police officer. You're on camera declaring that you tried to offer the policeman a bribe, right? And him should have taken it. Now, as you can see, the policeman was not impressed with these two women. And I have to give these two squaddies some credit because through them things them could have pulled over in a company Benz and offer the policeman them one like drinks money to get off the offense. But clearly the officers were not impressed. As a matter of fact, he seemed to be almost offended that she mentioned the name Harry Bungles. Because this is what a lot of people do in Jamaica. When them know one policeman, especially a senior policeman, them do every crime they can think about. And then when you corner them, the first thing them do is ball out the name of the policeman who them know, or the politician that them know. Right? So So these females need to be charged for attempting to bribe an officer, right? Because we see them on camera, right? But just to show you how Harry Bungles salt like the Dead Sea near Israel, right? Even when him in him yard sit down and I eat him rice and peas, him still get caught up in a trouble. Listen, you reap what you sow. This man has sown decades of wrongdoings. Ask Spanish Town people about Harry Bungles. Don't take my word for it. Ask anybody at Spanish Town about Harry Bungles. That man put off people from joining the police force. Harry Bungles was such a bad example of what a police officer should be. Enough people get put off from the police force because of Harry Bungles. But after he retired, after him bust the case, he was laying low. But again, you can't walk away from your sins. Sometimes you do some things 10, 15 years ago, and you think you turn your life around, but you just realize the cross is still a follow you. This is what's happening to Harry Bungles. People, I want you to watch the video. Come to your own conclusions. I'm going to link the video in the comment section. I'm going to pin it to the top of the comment section. Watch the video after this one. Right? You need to see this for yourself. This is one of the most embarrassing and dry eye incidents I've seen in a while. Right? Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Like, comment, share as usual. Bless up.